So after our Horseshoe Bend trip, we moved up to Lone Rock Beach. It's a dispersed camping site where you can park right on the beach of Lake Powell, and it was beautiful. The only problem was every afternoon the wind would blow about 40 miles an hour, and it really limited your day to just the mornings, but it was still really cool. Finally, we get to play. Get to play some music. What are you doing over there? What is that? Your camper? Brussels sprouts grilling. Woo! Oh yeah!
I'm riding my scooter.
You can't ride your scooter in the sand, silly.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't. You can pretend.
I need the handle flip.
Okay. Was that fun, Bubba? What'd you get? Some seashells? We were able to get the paddleboard out and cruise out to Lone Rock Island. And the water at Lake Powell is really low right now, so it exposes this beach area next to Lone Rock, which up until the last year or so, you couldn't even see that, much less get on it. So we took the kids out there and really enjoyed ourselves. There's the camper way over there.
So I'll just let it get off.
We got to Kanab last night and stayed at the RV park. That was about an hour outside of Zion, and now we're pulling into Zion. It already just looks fake. Just the topography and just the way everything looks is crazy. So I'm really excited to see what this place has to offer.
Get on our way out.
Yeah, it's a super long tunnel, right?
Yeah. And I hope I stay on this side when we go out.
We're out.
Yeah.
Wow. We made it on the bus. I don't know how strict they are on the time, but we only had 9 minutes to spare. Typical for our fashion. Keep going.
And we won't be far, y'all, because we stuck in the front.
So we're not exactly sure, but we meant to do the lower Emerald Pools, and in our nature we just kind of kept going. and we did the lower, middle, and upper. Upper starts here, so we actually did 2.2 plus the 2.1 on the upper. So we did somewhere around 4 miles, kind of on accident. That's okay. It just took a little longer than we wanted to, and now we are a little short on time to get back to the dog. But it's a absolutely beautiful place. It's really something. It's 1:10, and there's a huge line just to get on a shuttle to get into the park. That's crazy. So this place is kind of a cluster F. It's just so busy. Even with the limited shuttle tickets, there's a huge line for the shuttle at 1 something, which at 1:30, and I don't know what those people are gonna do, because you basically got to be on a shuttle back at like 6, and so just a lot of people, and getting in and out of here like through the tunnel and just everything. There's just a lot going on. I think really the only way to do this place is to stay at the lodge or get camping reservations, but I'm sure all that's booked out for months and months. So I don't know. Interesting. It's just an interesting place because it's so awesome. That's why there's so many people here. But it's also very small compared to the other national parks, and so it gets really congested really quick. Pretty though. Going back to the tunnel, it's 1.1 miles long, which is impressive. And it was built in 1930. And I can't imagine what that scene looked like. Nope, still can't see the end. I just can't imagine what that would be like with pickaxes and shovels and mules and dynamite. I wouldn't have wanted to be on that crew, that's for sure. There's the end. Puppy's gonna be upset. He's been in here all day. He's gonna be excited. Are you excited? Are you excited? Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Were you a good boy? I thought you were a good boy. Oh, hi. Hi. You're okay. Alright, let's go potty.